More stormwater diversion channel crossings are opening to traffic as the FM Area Diversion moves closer to completion. I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager for the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with those and other construction updates for September. After having opened the County Road 10 crossing late last month, ASN constructors announced the opening of the northbound driving lane of I-29 this month. The shift in northbound traffic makes way for the next phase of work, including removal of the northbound bypass lanes, which is now underway. Nearby, the BNSF Hillsborough crossing is nearing completion. Our drone view captures the nearly completed bridge structure, where only final welding and protective coatings remain to be done. They completed approach embankments on both ends and also started permanent track installation on the bridge's south approach. In this same area, the County Road 81 crossing also is nearing completion. Crews placed concrete for the bridge approach slabs and bridge railings this month. County Road 6 crossing also moved closer to completion. ASN constructors poured the bridge deck this month. It's the last of 16 road crossings to achieve this milestone. ASN constructors also continues work on the Maple River Aqueduct. They prepared the spillway's subgrade and began the concrete wall facing. Over at the aqueduct flume, crews are now installing hot lead support brackets for the low-flow channel heating system, as well as boulders, which will serve as roughness elements to promote fish passage. That, along with the heat, will bolster biotic connectivity across the flume after the Maple River is permanently diverted. On the channel itself, excavation continues, as does building the embankments. Here we see the work taking place in Reach 11, which spans about 2.5 miles near 40th Avenue West in West Fargo. About 39 million of the needed 45 million cubic yards of material have now been moved. As we shift to the federal work being done, we can see crews working on completing crossings over the 22-mile southern embankment. At Reach SE2B, the final lifts of asphalt paving for the County Road 16 up and over are now underway. On the southern end of the Reach, contractors placed topsoil and turf reinforcement matting. They also planted native vegetation across the project's footprint. Fabric and gravel were placed atop the embankment for the maintenance road, and earthwork continues along the north end of the Reach as well. One of the project's mitigation efforts involves building a ring levee around Oxbow, Hickson, Baki. Hendrickson Transportation, LLC, the federal contractor, is nearly done placing the embankment near the intersection of County Roads 81 and 18 at the south end of the project. Along the north end of the project, crews are placing topsoil and graveling the project's access and maintenance roads. To keep up with ongoing construction and the people making it happen, subscribe to the Diversion Current.